Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about ICP and just the local updates for this token. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you go and watch my yesterday podcast, what I posted on channel, and I think it can be useful for the new users, or for the hostage of position, because no hate to ICP, no hate to XRP, no hate to any token. But when I post some video and showed you the not the bearish target, but the target like potential zone where we can drop, people always fight against you and won't believe it. We can't drop so low again. Because of that, people, it's hostage of the position. You don't want to even hear about just hypothetical drop of your favorite token because you invested in. The ICP, I think, will hit the main target, what I showed before. So don't need to scream, oh, you totally don't understand the ICP, it's the greatest token ever. Guys, ICP, like any other token, it's just a speculative asset. And you can see on a chart, the great example, this can't be the greatest project ever if, no matter what happened that time, if the project dump it from $400 to $2. And guys, somebody invested it here because of fundamental of this project. So I already explained to you the fundamental of ICP didn't change since this token exists. So that's the point, guys. It's always about a perspective and your entry. For the people who bought it at $2, it's the greatest project ever, right? Because it was a great opportunity to buy this asset. For people who bought at 400, now it's not a good time, and they have not a good memory about this token, right? Even with the DCA. So guys, it's always just individual. And when I this was a great time for accumulation, all this block, right? All this block was a great time for accumulation, just an average, right? Since April 2022. Then we pump it. So for example, your average here, like $7. I bought and I hold ICP before, then I out of that token, then we dump it. And here the people scream, we're going to the moon, we drop it down, then bounce it. Also, I hear this video and share just in theory, we can drop once again to this one. It was $4.91 because it's a monthly favorable gap. Or even, I don't know, $3.44. Why we can't? We have some rules, so we can't drop so low. Of course we can, guys. That's the point. So we work only with possibilities. Do I think we will drop? I don't think so. We will drop. But guys, we can. Everything can happen, in the crypto. So Trump can post any post tomorrow on any social, and it's affect the market. So work with the possibilities. Don't be the hostage of the position. And under every single video, blame another guys who share not to the moon targets. So here we landed. So who could predict? So we dumped from $20 to this one to $5.55. Now it's I think it's a good time to accumulate ICP again. So here, for example, it's a favorable gap. So around this block, it's okay time to buy because we sweep at this low. And of course, at $5.70, it's much better than buy the token at 15. So that's the point, guys. And yes, we got like a gaps $4.24 or even here at $3.42. I don't think so. We'll drop so low. And I will show you the take profit indicator here on weekly. We come back and tested this one buy line. Around here, I showed you we can. I hope we'll not, but we can drop to this block and we dump it. And we dump it to the buy line. So basically never say never, guys. And now the next bearish target, but I don't think so. We will drop to that target and I hope it's $4.28. It's a fundamental value of this token on the weekly time frame. Got a daily time frame here. We almost touch the fundamental value. Technically, I don't see any reason why the market should dump lower. Of course, we can see any new black swan, but of course here we got over than 2 billion liquidations. That's why market can't drop forever down and can move further up. That's why most likely it was the last capitulation. If not, this is the next step, $5.36, this one. And I showed you this target, so you know the levels, exact level where if the market go down, where you can buy again this asset, because nobody knows the future, but we can work with the data, we can work with the targets and build a plan based on this target, when to buy, when to sell. So buy line on 12 time frame now, $6.64. For the map value, it's exactly fulfill of another gap. It's $4.95. Can we drop to this area? Yes. Unfortunately, yes, guys. I hope not, of course, but we can. The take profit line on 12 time frame now it's 13.21. Exit line 14.88. So guys, never say never. No matter what token you invest in it, right? So yes, we are in the local uptrend. So the structure is still uptrend. So until we not sweep this low of September 23, this one around $2.82, for example, we are in the uptrend structure. So everything okay. But globally, yes, it's a downtrend. Globally, it's a downtrend. My take is, I think by end of spring, I can be wrong, but I think by end of spring, ICP will be over than $38 if we'll see the BTC dominance under 50%. So this is the next target, and this is one. So conservative price targets for ICP, it's $87 and around $92, this one. Can we go higher? Of course we can. We can go much, much higher. So this is, for example, this one. This is a monthly gap. And here we got weekly gaps, but I don't think so. We'll go over than $100, for example. This is my take. But guys, everything can change in an eye blink. So always after 100% profit, just better withdraw initial deposit. Got it. Take a look now with trade on and money power. So here was signals to buy, bounce, buy, bounce, buy, bounce, buy, bounce. Recommendation close position, take profit from the buy, sell, 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 buy back, buy back, buy back. No new signal to buy or buy back, unfortunately, guys, on weekly. Daily looks like this one. So this was signal to sell. So this is where I share the video, you know, and I hope, guys, like any investor, like any guy on the crypto, I hope all the time to see the market slowly but surely go up. But we work with possibilities. And that's a problem of all of this ICP army or XRP army, you know, or H-bar army. Yes, ICP performed pretty good one, but based on some rumors, based on some, I don't know, maybe money inflow from the institutional, you know, because they got a position and accumulated a long-term period. So I think sooner or later, anyway, the ICP also will perform. But work with possibility all the time. Now, no signal to no new signal to buy. The buyback was here. So accumulator or not, guys, up to you. I skip it ICP now, you know, because I've been in that position before, then I'm out and reinvest that money in another tokens. So just it. I can't buy all tokens, you know. I don't have unlimited budget. So take a look. This was last accumulation on the daily in November. Pump. Here's money outflow. Now we dump it even lower than this low, but no new money inflow on the daily. So it's kind of bad. Weekly. Let's add alert for money inflow. Here, this one. So this was money outflow, no new money inflow. For me, I made a deal, you know, if deal with myself, I mean, if we'll drop, I don't know, to $3.50 to $4, maybe I will buy the ICP like speculation. So that's not investment, it's for swing trades. Got it. But I remind you, the global target's way higher. So now we are like in average, only 148 from the bottom, from the historical bottom. So now it's okay time to buy. Here was a time to out of ICP, and I think around here we'll see another signal to money outflow. Let's add alert. So we can track it. Take a look at the last indicators. It's the direction ADZ. This was accumulation. September, this was accumulation. So almost same level, but with the divergence. Now, I hope will not drop again lower than $2.56 to form the bigger divergence. No, I hope this is enough. 2 billion liquidation, I think it's enough. No accumulation signals like it was here. So that's the point, guys. So be careful, but globally, yes, keep in mind, I think ICP will hit 38 and around 89, $92. So guys, all targets I showed you. Highly recommend you go and check that podcast, what I shared yesterday. Subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. And if you want to trade with my customer, because I showed in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time.